If you want to know how to use Ahrefs for YouTube keyword research, then I'm going to show you a quick and simple way that you can find some good keywords. So first things first, you're going to need a subscription to Ahrefs. You get logged in and everything. Then head on over to the Keywords Explorer. And there we will find that we can seed the tool with a keyword. I'm going to use keto diet as an example. And then just click enter. Now it's going to give us a whole bunch of data for that keyword specifically. But if you look down here under the keyword ideas, there's also going to be categories or groups of different types of keywords that are related to this main keyword that we put in, keto diet, right? The one that I want to focus on for this video is the questions. So if we click where it says view all, I actually like to open it up in a new tab just so that we can kind of take a look at this and see what this list looks like. A whole bunch of questions that people ask in relation to the keto diet. And these types of questions work really, really well for YouTube videos because they're like how to do the keto diet. You make a whole video. This is what I do. This is what I eat. To basically show somebody how to do something, a video works great, right? Explaining what is the keto diet. Somebody could just pull up a quick video. You can explain it, show images, pictures, video, etc. Right? So you can start looking through these and checking the keyword difficulty, which is this one right here. The more difficult, the more competition there's going to be. But this is primarily for Google, not as much on YouTube, although YouTube videos can show up on Google. In fact, that's a big driver of traffic because, of course, Google owns YouTube. So checking this can be really helpful. And this is where filters come into play. This can be a lifesaver. So if you come up here to the top and click on KD, you can sort from, I don't know, let's say 40 to 1. I actually think we need to do it this way. 1 to 40. Or maybe we'll go 50. Show results. And now it's going to be keywords that are going to be usually longer, right? Like what we consider long tail keywords, but also just not as much competition. And the search volume will probably be a bit lower, but these will be easier to create a video and have it show up and like rank on Google or YouTube when somebody does a search for one of these. Keep in mind that YouTube is a massive search engine. It's like, I don't know, in the top 10 at least in the world, I believe, in terms of daily users. So having your videos rank on that platform as well as on Google can be extremely beneficial. Once you have your list of keywords, I like to just export them over here. So come over here, click export, boom, and then save those and just start running through and coming up with the full video idea. And now you've got your YouTube keywords here. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.